do you see that gunk there? It looks like lash glue. How the heck did lash glue get in there? That's my question. Oh, did I see something move there? Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a $1 full face under a microscope. Now this video was highly requested. That's why I am back with my little microscope. And now for today, I'm going to show you guys what $1 makeup looks like under the microscope. So not too long ago, I filmed a video where I took you guys along with me shopping to Miss A. I have actually 3 videos now up, so make sure to go check them out. In the last video that I filmed, which is where I did this look, I'm giving away this goodie bag filled with makeup goodies. So if you would like to enter the giveaway, make sure to go check out that video. It's going to be linked down below in the description box, so you can go ahead and enter the giveaway. It is super easy. Now without any further ado, let's get started and let's see what $1 makeup looks like under the microscope. Alright, before we get started, do not forget to smash this video with a big thumbs up. We're going to go ahead and start, and I'm going to show you first the items, what like the actual items look like under the microscope, and then we'll move on to what the makeup looks like on my face under the microscope. Okay, we're going to start it with the LOL face powder. Now I'm going to move over to this side so you guys can see the image. Now when it comes to powder, I don't really think there's much interesting when it comes to powder, but we'll go ahead and see. We'll give it a shot. Here we go. Let's go. So this is what the powder looks like under the microscope. Now, maybe these little speckles, these little white spots that we see here are just kind of like all the powders that they use to create like one shade when it comes to the powder. Let me know if you work at making makeup or you know more than me. Let me know in the comments down below, because I always wonder, what is that? Or is it little things that I have in my brush and just get on the powder and kind of just stick there? Because if that's the case, that'd be kind of gross. But let me know. So powder, there's really not much anything interesting in here. We're gonna move on to highlighter, which I love to see highlighters underneath the microscope. I just find it so satisfying for some reason. They just look like mini disco balls, you know? So let's see. Voila, I told you. Now this highlight in particular is really weird because it has these spots right here, and those white spots that you see is actually part of the highlighter. That's what makes your highlight pop, you know? It just makes it like be blinding. These little, oh, did I see something move there? I think it might have just been me. Oh my god, I freaked out. I was like, oh, what is that? Is that something moving in there? I freaked out so bad, but okay, no, it's not. I thought it was like a bug or something. Let's keep on moving up. It just looks like little spots of snow, huh? I think it looks cute. See, highlighter, I don't see a highlighter can be so nasty sometimes. What is that? What is that? I take it back. What is that? I don't know what it is. But see, highlighters are kind of just, I just like the way they look under microscopes personally. Now we're gonna move on to a blush. Let's see what this blush looks like underneath the microscope. Ooh, she's pretty. I like it. It reminds me of like cotton candy because it's like so pink and pretty and like sparkly. I like it. It's so cute. So let's see what it looks like on the edges of the blush. Right there. So it looks like this blush is actually quite not dirty. It's actually because it's new. It's not too long ago that I bought it. And I keep this one in my makeup bag, which I've kept more organized, which makes sense why it doesn't look that dirty. Is this a broken spot? Oh, look. I cracked my blush there. But okay, now let's move on to, ooh, you know what I want to see? I want to see what these look like under the microscope. This is such a pretty palette. Can you believe this palette? Literally every single shadow in here was just $1. Crazy, and they're really good. Go check out the video. Now this is kind of like an emerald green shadow, and just someone please send me a DM. Let me know, because you guys don't understand how much this bothers me. I want to know what those things are, those little colorful things that I see, because like the pink one doesn't have it. I don't know if you noticed, the pink one doesn't have it. This one has like a whole bunch of different colors in there, so I'm wondering what that is. Like I really wonder what that is. But we're gonna look at this. This is a solid color that has orange spots all over it, and this one is kind of like a brownish color. Doesn't really have anything much going on, just brown. And then this is like a peachy color. It has a bunch of glitter. And then let's check this one out. Also a whole bunch of glitter. It was just this one that has a whole bunch of like orange speckles all around it, as you guys can see. I have another palette. This one is called I'm a Beach. Super pretty palette, look at that. Now let's look at what this blue shadow looks like underneath. Oh, that looks like the ocean. That looks so pretty. Oh my god. It's just like eyeshadow is like, you really can't see anything underneath eyeshadow. But let's give it a shot over here. I just like the way it looks. I personally just like the way eyeshadow looks underneath. Like I said, it just looks like disco balls. We're gonna look at, oh my god, I got this glitter from SA. We're gonna see what this glitter looks like underneath the microscope. And I'm gonna be very careful because this glitter is so pretty and I don't wanna mess it up. So here we go. That's what glitter looks. It looks kind of like shattered glass, right? Wow, that looks like shattered glass, but like pretty glass. I like the way it sparkles. Now this right here is actually really good. I tried it on my eyes and I fell in love with this little glitter. It's so tiny, but it's still worth the $1 that it is. I want to see what this spoolie looks like under the microscope. So here we go. That's my hand. Hold on. Find a spoolie. Oh my god. That is the grossest thing ever. Let me put it up here so you won't think that I'm showing you anything else. Okay, hold on. How did I get it so perfect? There. Ew, do you see that gunk there? It looks like lash glue. How the heck did lash glue get in there? That's my question. Look how dirty that is, guys. What does this look like? I want to see up close. Oh my god. I would have never thought the spoolie was this dirty. Like, honestly. Well, there's hair, there's glitter, there's glue, there's residue, there's all kinds of nasty stuff in here. So that's that. Okay, now let's look at my beauty blender. Actually, this is a beauty, just like a regular blender. It's not a beauty blender, but it's the Morphe blender. And I applied my $1 powder, $1 foundation with it. So we'll see what this looks like under the microscope. Oh my god, Triphobia at its finest. Oh my god. For the sake of the video, I'm gonna go once again and just try to control it as much as I can. That's what it looks like. I'm just gonna look straight to you guys and not look at the screen, because if I do, I probably will start scratching my head once again. But that looks really, really gross. That's foundation with powder mixed together. Now let's look at where it's just the powder. Oh my god. I want to scratch my head so bad. Oh my god. Okay, it's just something about that that's just, it's like up here. Now, I think this is the definition of crusty. I think this is what you would call crusty. Because, oh my god. What is that gold thing right there? Oh my god, let's look at a clean side. A clean side. Looks pretty clean, honestly. Ever since you guys told me to wash, oh, never mind. I take it back. It's dirty. It's dirty, girl. Let's see over here. This is what just, oh my god, that is so bad. Now let's move on to my face, what it actually looks like on my face. Here comes the fun part. So we're gonna start on one side of my cheek. Let me clean it off. I wonder what my acrylic looks like under a microscope. Oh, never mind, that's gonna be probably way too gross. We'll leave that for another video. But let's go ahead and look at the cheek. Now I have glitter here, which I don't understand. It's matte here and then it's glitter here. And I don't even, and my highlighter is up here, not down here. That's weird. So let's look at highlighter underneath the microscope. That's what it looks like. Highlighter looks really pretty. All right, let's look over here. As you guys can see, my skin is definitely super dry just because I didn't use a primer. Well, I did use a primer, but you can already imagine how $1 primer went, which is why, is that blood there? Is that blood? What is that? Guys, what is that? Oh my god, what is that? I need a mirror, hold on. Can't see anything. Well, that's weird. I don't know what that was. Okay, now let's look at the brows. This is what $1, hold on. This is what $1 brows look like. Oh my god. Okay, these brows are looking like a hot mess. It's looking kind of like just, they look very wet with just a whole bunch of glitter and gluing gunk in them. Okay, now let's look at eyeshadow. Is that my lash band? Hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I had, what the heck? That you're seeing right there is my lash band, and it is also my eyelid. Why is there black stuff on my eyelid? It is literally cracking. Literally, it's cracking, guys. It's cracking. Oh my god. I had never seen that. I had never seen my eyelid look like that. Is this even a thing right now? Guys. First of all, that color reminds me of hot Cheetos. Weird, but it reminds me of hot Cheetos. Second of all, It is not okay that my eyelid looks like this, guys. That is what my lash band looks like, guys. Oh my god. I didn't think. I'm over here thinking like, my eyeshadow looks hella cute for $1. I take it back. I had never seen my eyeshadow like that. Like, I had never seen it like that, guys. I swear that just looks weird because I had never experienced that. I had never seen my eyelid with color, white and black, and cracking and creasing like that. It's just insane. So I had never seen anything like that. So that's why I'm over here like amazed looking at it. But what else is there in my messing to show you guys? I think I did the brows. Did I do the forehead? The forehead is not much interesting. Let's see up here, the hairline. We can see the hair growing in. Some little baby hairs coming in. And then, do I see any piojos? I think I showed you guys pretty much everything on my face. What a $1 makeup looks like under the microscope. Now, I think I was doing perfectly fine until I came across my eyeshadow. That definitely did freak me out. Like, whoa. I had never, like, if you guys have been watching my microscope videos consistent, you know that I did a couple of them already, and I look at my eyeshadow underneath the microscope and it looks perfectly fine, just like a whole bunch of glitter. Just basically it looks like a highlighter or a blush underneath the microscope. But the fact that it looks like it was cracking and it looked black and white has me freaking the heck out. But that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also if you're not part of the Pita family yet, do not forget to subscribe. That'd be really nice if you can subscribe and be part of us. And also let me know in the comments down below what you thought was the most disgusting thing that you saw underneath the microscope for today's video. But other than that, that is it for this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, my loves.